Hey Gators, Miss Foglia here with a really awesome STEM activity for you and your family to try at home. So here we have the Alka rocket. So our first question for us to really think about is what makes a rocket lift off? I want you to think about that for a couple seconds and share your idea with your family member. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to do this experiment. And the first thing we have to do is make sure we're extra safe. So we're going to put on our safety goggles. You have a fancy pair of safety goggles. Make sure they're nice and tight to your face. We don't want you losing any eyes. So we have our materials here. I have my film canister, and I have my Alka-Seltzer tablet. And I have a little cup of water because we're going to do a little bit of measurement with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top off of my canister here. A little challenging to take off. Just put it to the side, but you want it close by because we're going to use it in a couple seconds. Next, we're going to take our tablet, and it comes in this little container, and we take it out, and you notice it's really big. So we're going to actually break it in half, or close to half as possible. So I have a little bit extra I need to break off there. So I have half of my tablet here. Put my other tablet off to the side. I'm going to put my tablet inside, or actually I'm going to hang on for a second. I'm not going to get too excited. I'm going to pour about ½ inch of water into my film canister. Now, roughly this film canister I want to say is probably 2 inches big. So we're going to fill it just about 1/4 of the way. We don't need a ton of water, okay? Just a little bit. So there's about halfway or 1/4 of the way up. Okay, we need a lot of room to let this experiment occur and let what's going to happen. So don't put too much in there. Now here comes the fun part. I need you to be careful. So I have broken my Alka-Seltzer tablet and I have half of it here. Okay, I'm going to put it in there. Then I have to close it really quickly because I don't want to let it go anything in there. So here I go. I'm going to put it in there and I'm going to close this up. Now I'm going to take my canister and I'm going to shake it really fast for a couple seconds. Get excited. I'm going to turn it over. Woo! And I'm going to let it go. Okay. So exciting. So that's the end of our experiment. Now let you think about kind of what happened with our Alka-Seltzer rocket, and then I'll explain to you kind of what happened here. So, as you know, in science, we have a liquid here, we had water, and then we had a solid in the form of an antacid, okay? So when they mixed together, they produced, a gas, and the gas pressure built up inside that film canister, and it did just enough to break the top from the inside, okay? So what happened was we built up that gas inside and it caused a reaction for it to lift off, okay? Antacids, like Alka-Seltzer, are made up of a citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, and they react with carbon dioxide when dissolved in water. I hope you enjoyed our experiment, and hey, you can even do it again because you have the other packet left, the other half of your material. So enjoy, thanks so much, and have fun with your family. Bye.